following is a flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Iroquois County, Illinois, the National Weather Service in Chicago has extended the flood warning for northern Benton County in northwest Indiana, southeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, southern Newton County in northwest Indiana until 5 o'clock p.m. Wednesday/6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday at 4:35 p.m. 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement officials reported continued flooding across the warned area with several roads still remaining covered with standing and flowing water. The recent heavy rainfall over the past 24 hours, along with already saturated soils, has prevented much of the standing water from receding. Isolated showers and thunderstorms are also expected to slide across the warned area this afternoon. Rivers and creeks could still experience significant rises over the next 24 hours with any additional runoff today. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Farce, Beaver City, Dunnington, Forsman, Fowler, Freeland Park, Gifford, Hanging Grove, Kentland, Lodgeo, McCoshburg, Moody, Percy Junction, Perkins, and Pleasant Ridge. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.